Well, there's a piece of walnut I got from my friend. It was cut down in January, and I just happened to pop around his, and he said he had that available. So I don't have any chainsaws or anything, but I have a little hacksaw from Aldi that we're going to give a go and get a blank from that. Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now this is my April project for the YouTube Cost Channel Challenge. Found Fabulous was the theme, and this was set by Rob Brand, who suggested that we find a piece of wood for free or purchase it for no more than $10 or pounds and make something from it within the 24-hour period. Now I found a really nice piece of walnut from a friend, and this was cut down around January time, so I had to go at my first bit of live edge turning greenwood. However, the piece was very out of balance and heavy, so I did it just started to rip my shed apart. So I had to take it off and recut it to reshape it and pop it back onto the lathe. Well, obviously this did mean that I did not get the challenge done in the 24 hours, as I've got very limited time in the workshop recently due to work and family. So could not do that part of the challenge. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. Well, there you go, everyone. There's my YouTube Cost Channel Challenge April project. Live edged walnut plant pot, and even the aloe vera was free. This was given to us ages ago, and the only plant we seem to be able to keep alive in this house, and it just keeps sprouting new ones, so I had to find a new pot for it. And really enjoyed this project, and first time I did green turning with it, obviously, and drying it in the microwave, and a number of mistakes in this project. And firstly, I kept not being happy with the shape and kept cutting away, so I've exposed the screw holes on this side, and obviously couldn't cut them away then on the inside. However, obviously you can't see, but however, it hasn't destroyed the overall look, and I really like it. So yeah, just a nice little feature for the house now. I do also want to give a shout out to Gerard Dubois, who sent me a sticker, and I will pop his link in the description below. He's mainly on Instagram at the moment, but hopefully maybe make a move onto YouTube soon. So for the YouTube Cost Channel Challenge, I will also post some links in the description to playlists over on Turnage Dubois' channel. He originally started this challenge series, and is regularly updating his playlists to include every month's challenge. So please go and check those out and support all the other challenges. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.